Everybody, welcome to Vlogmas 16. Thanks for stopping by today. It's still pretty chilly. It rained a little bit. No snow yet, but there's going to be snow on the weekend. I did get a request to show the bags that I'm going to be using for December. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so I'm going to continue using my Dunienberg satchel 50th anniversary luggage tag iridescent with the Coach bag charm for until Monday. Then I'm gonna switch out to my Minnie Mouse swing bag for a few days. Comes with the wallet, little wristlet, just pretty cute. Because I don't know what the weather's going to be like, so you don't want to put any like good bags in bad weather kind of thing. So this will be my bag I'll be switching out on Monday. Pretty cool. And then for the Christmas and the end of the month, I'll be switching out to my Speedy 25 limited edition Bonio green. And if you've never seen this bag, it's an epi leather. It's in perfect condition. It's from the 90s. And I thought green would be great for Christmas. All right, so that's part of the request, so I do appreciate that. Keep the requests coming if you want to see anything, or I'll be more than happy to look into it for you. All right, so those are my 3 bags that I'm going to be using for December. All right, I have a unboxing for my Apple Watch, and I'm just setting that up, so I'll insert the footage there for you, along with a picture of what the freezer looks like full, so you get kind of an idea. It's a combination refrigerator freezer, but we're using it as an upright freezer, and it's working out really super good. All right, let's go ahead and get into the advent calendar. Okay, looking for 16. Let's see if we can find it here. All right, where's 16 at? Oh, it's down at the bottom here. All right, let's go ahead and see what it says. All right, make a wish. All right. Get a little star. And it gives you a little picture of a star. All right, so that's going to be Vlogmas 16 for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment when I reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm doing a fabulous giveaway. It's going to be an SLG, really nice item, along with a hard-to-find Disney item, and a couple of surprises in between. All right, thanks for watching. Susan from Srstyle with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Hi everybody, welcome to Susan from Srstyle. I have an unboxing today. Came in a box like this. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Got my blade. All right, let's see here. See if I can slice my finger off. Yeah, it just came, so we're trying to figure out what it might be. All right.
Well, your panties, the guys didn't like that. I think.
All right. All right, this is the Home Base Pro. All right, what else did we get here? Screen protector. We got the Jordan silicone band in pink. Any guesses? All right, we got the collection suite. Any guesses? All right, I got my smartwatch, my Apple Series 7 watch, and it comes in a box like this. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and unbox that real. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Okay, comes in a little bit different thing here. That's what it kind of looks like. Okay. Okay, there's another watch band. They give you two. That's pretty nice. All right, this is in rose gold. And this is the 45 centimeter one. All right, yeah, because the story behind my other watch, I had a Series 1, I had it for a long time, and the battery went, and if you know anything about Apple Watches, the battery will go into like a pillow, and it will pop out the top of your watch, the display. So if that ever happens, then you know you have to replace the battery, but the battery costs just as much to get it repaired as to buy basically a new watch. You may put another 100 towards it, but you might as well just get a new watch. I tried to repair it myself, but in doing so, the band inside snapped. So there's no way for me to repair that. So I got a new watch. So that's what that looks like. Then it comes with cable, charging cable. And I'll put the band on it later, and I will post pictures on Instagram. So make sure you follow me at Srstyle on Instagram, and I'll show you what it looks like complete. All right, thanks for watching. Susan from Srstyle with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.